In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this start math problem easy and fast. Alright, so let's get started. The question says, what is the diameter of the circle in the xy plane with equation? This equation equals 16. Alright, so looking at this question, I don't think we need a calculator to solve it. It's straightforward, it's just basic understanding of coordinate geometry. Okay, so as we all know, diameter is double the radius. Alright, so what you need now is to get the radius of this circle. Once you have it, you will get the diameter, right? So to get the radius, we already have the output to be 16. So this shows the distance to be 16. So to get the radius now, radius will be r square equal 16. Okay, so you make r subject formula. So to do this, square root both sides. This will cancel this. So r is 4. Now since the radius is 4, diameter is double the radius, so diameter will now be 4 times 2, which gives us what, 8. So the right answer to this question is option B, 8. So this is basically how you can deal with this kind of problem. It's not fast for your start maths. We don't need this calculator to punch anything. Hopefully there's something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific question to answer regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also ensure that part of the channel membership by clicking the join button and getting very information on how to solve that start math problems you'll be dealing with. Okay, so having done this, click on the end screen above and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.